So now in question 4, we are given the function of f of x equals to minus 2x squared minus 4x plus 16. So 4.1, we are asked to find the y-intercept of f. So having f of x being equals to minus 2x. So having f of x being equals to minus 2x squared minus 4x plus 16. So the y-intercept when x is equal to 0, so you're going to substitute where you see x to be 0. So it's minus 2 into 0 squared minus 4 into 0 plus 16. So your f of x when x is equal to 0, it's 16. So this is your y-intercept. So now 4.2, we are asked to find the x-intercept of f. So your f of x being equals to minus 2x squared minus 4x plus 16. So the x-intercept when y is equals to 0, so it's going to be 0 is equals to minus 2x squared minus 4x plus 16. Then we divide by negative 2 all sides. We have 0 is equals to x squared plus 2x minus 8, right? So we're going to have 0 is equals to, we factorize this expression here, so it's going to be x and x. We use 4 and 2. The middle term is positive, so which means the large term will be positive and this term will be negative. So x minus 2 equals to 0, or x plus 4 equals to 0. So x is equals to 2, or x is equals to minus 4. So these are your x-intercepts of f. So now in 4.3, we are asked to find the coordinates of the turning point of f. So having our f of x being equals to minus 2x squared minus 4x plus 16. So the turning point is x equals to minus b over 2a, which our b is minus 4 divided by 2, our a is minus 2. So your x value of the turning point will get minus 1, and then you substitute that x value of minus 1 to your original equation of minus 2 into, put minus 1 squared minus 4 into minus 1 plus 16. So you should get a value of 18. So this means now that your turning point is minus 1 and 18. Four point 4, we are asked to sketch the graph of f indicating all intercepts with axes and the turning points. So let's first write down our intercepts. We found that our y-intercepts, the coordinate is 0 and 16. So these are our y-intercepts. And then our x-intercept we found to be 2 and 0 and minus 4 and 0. So these are our x-intercepts, right? And our turning point we found to be minus 1 and 18. So to draw our function, it's going to look like this, and we indicate our turning point of minus 1. So meaning our minus 1 will be somewhere here, x equals to minus 1, and our 18 will be somewhere here. So this is our turning point. So our y is equals to 18. this is our turning point of -1 and 18, and our intercepts, we have x-intercept of 2 and 0, so meaning, let's say 2 is here, so it's 2 and 0, and another intercept of -4 and 0, so let's say it's here, which is -4 and 0. So we going to join our points, so its graph is going to look like this and like that. So we also need to indicate this intercept, which is our y-intercept. We found x to be 0, so it's going to be 0 and 16. So this is our graph of f of x. So now in 4.5 we are asked to write down the range of f. So when we talk of range, we talk of the y values. So we're gonna go back to our graph, right? And the range, talking about the y values, we want to know the movement of the y values. So if you look at this graph here, these are negative y values, these are positive y values. This is positive x and negative x. So looking at the positive y values, they come from a negative infinity and they go up to this maximum point of y is equals to 18, and then they, from y is equals to 18, they go all the way to positive infinity. So the range, you can simply write so the range of this, you can simply write negative infinity going to 18 inclusive. So this is not inclusive, this is just a smooth bracket like that, and 18 to positive infinity. So you can simply write it like this, or you can simply write y is less than or equals to 18. So these are just two ways to write your range.